everyone, JaLingo's proverb of the week is alligator lay egg but him and a fowl. This means an alligator may lay eggs but he is not a fowl. Things are not always what they seem to be. Not because people do similar things, they shouldn't be judged solely on their similarities. Other meanings, never view a subject from one point of view. Things are never always as they appear. In essence, fowls or chickens lay eggs, but not every egg is laid by a fowl. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.